How to disable email new followers notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable email new followers notifications on SoundCloud mobile. First then open SoundCloud and then click here in the bottom corner library, and then click this one in the top corner, and here you will find settings. Click on it. Now click notifications and scroll down. Here you will find new followers. Just not this one, scroll down until you find email notifications, and here you will find it. Now just click on it and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.